Audit, audit, audit. I don't like it. I avoid. But audit likes me. I can't avoid. So if you can't avoid audit, then here I am to help you in audit with free fast track batch in English for South Indian students. And also a magic book that cover whole audit only in 250 pages with 100% question answer. My name is CA Shivam Nagpal. I cleared my CA November 22 exams, first attempt both group, and I scored 70 marks in audit. I face lot of problem during my study of audit. So I provided a solution for all the problems that I faces in studying during the audit. That is our magic book. One-stop solution for all. One-stop solution for all problem you face during studying the audit. Okay, let's see. So our fast track batch in English going to start today on this channel, right? And we will cover it by using our magic book. See here. So this magic book cover entire audit only in 250 pages with 100% question answer. It means you need not to refer any other question bank separately. It covers everything: study material question, RTPs, MTPs, past exam questions, illustration, everything. There are a lot of memory techniques to memorize the each concept and questions also. Okay. Now, short and concise and in chart format. Many keywords are highlighted or underlined because ICI give marks for keywords. Now, all mention study material question, RTPs, MTPs, past exam question and illustration. Everything is mentioned in this book. An important topic list also provided in front of this book, front page of this book, in index. Now, lot of real life examples are given to understand the concept and the audit. Animations are used. Many motivation quotes are given to motivate you during your entire journey. Okay. Now, charts are given, pictures, diagrams for visualization, and 3 using plans. This is one-stop solution for the audit. Everything is covered under this magic book. This is really magic. Okay. Just see this. We have notes for professional ethics. These cover all in 45 pages entire notes. 45 pages entire notes with 100% question answer. That is 160 question answer. All are covered here. Only in 45 pages. Only in 45 pages. Okay. It saves you a lot of time. With animations, memory techniques. Okay. See here. AR and PO. These are memory techniques. Animations, pictures, charts, diagram. Many things are used. And fully colorful book. Okay. See here. There are many questions. This is study material question, study material question. All questions are covered. Guilty or not guilty. So it's in crux format. 70% question are 100% covered. And 30% question are in crux format or summarized portion are covered. Okay. So it means it covers all the question of RTP, MTP, study mat and past exam question. See here another chapter for the CFS audit. Okay. Here it is. So again, memory techniques are given to memorize each concept. Charts given, animation are used. So whole book is based on this concept to cover all the questions in less space. Okay, so everything is covered under this book. You need not to refer any separate question bank. Everything is covered. Okay. Now, if you want these books, these samples, you can get through the link under description of this video. All samples are available here. Right. Now, the next is, okay, these samples are available in the description of this video. Okay. Now, The second thing is our magic bank. So what is this? As I said, all the questions are covered itself in the magic book. So what are covered under this magic bank? 70% question are 100% covered under the magic book, but 30% question are covered in crux or summarize format, like any answer having the 2-page answer. So we have summarized that answer into half page that you have to learn and write in exam. Okay, remaining question is irrelevant. If you have less time, then just study the magic book, it is enough. But if you want to study in depth, then these 30% questions are given in this magic bank. Just read it and left it. It's optional. It means all these questions are already in our magic book. Okay, if you want to just read this, just read this. Okay, this is optional. Just once read, only important question marked in detail. This is totally optional. Otherwise, you can skip. Need not to take print or hard copy by. If you want hard copy, we provide this on our website, but this is optional. Okay, just take soft copy and just read it. Now, so under this important question list is given, special name given to each question, attempt mention, keyword highlighted, and the topic wise bifurcation. Okay, see here. These 100% questions are already in the magic book. Only the 30% question, those are summarized. You can just read it. Otherwise, everything is covered. Okay, this is optional. If you have time, then you can read. Otherwise, no need to see this. Now, 30 marks of MCQs are covered in our exam. This is very important scoring area. Important and scoring area. Okay, see here. So we provide for this a MCQ bank and the MCQ and limit based summary. This MCQ bank cover chapter wise all ICI MCQs 100%, study material edit new MCQs. In under new course, ICI has added many new MCQs. Case study base. These cover theory question plus MCQ both. There is given a case study under ICI study mat, plus it contains the theory question and MCQ also together. So we added this into our magic MCQ bank. Okay, chapter wise MCQs, new MCQs, MCQ booklet, old one, and the RTPs MCQs and MTP MCQs. Everything is covered chapter wise. Okay, this covered all the MCQs and case studies. And our MCQ limit base summary, MCQ and MCQ limit based summary. This covers small MCQ summary chapter wise, case based MCQ summary, and points for MCQs, and all limit and summary chapter wise. Like bank audit and the NBFC audit limits are all covered here. Now, essay names, CARO, clauses names, ethics clauses name with MEMI technique that you have to write in exam. This is very important to get full mark in exam. So ABC analysis. Okay, so for MCQs in English we will try to provide if time permit us. For Hindi it will be there in next month, but for in English for MCQ videos we will try if time permit us. Okay, now you can cover self using this summary and the magic bank. Let's see here. Now, all chapter will be on YouTube. For audit pre-fast track batch, all the chapter will be on the YouTube except essays part. Essays, SAE, SRS part not on YouTube. Not on YouTube. So how you will get this? Okay. Student who has bought the book will get the mail for these videos. And those who are not interested to buy the book but want to join the free fast track batch, they can get the link of these essays. You have to place the order for the essays part on the website. The price will be 0 for it. Okay, you will get the link and you can cover it using that link. Okay. Now, so you can join our Telegram group. There we have shared the schedule for free fast track batch. You can plan according to that. Okay. Now, so how we will study? What will be our study approach? See here. Okay. Understand each and every concept, topic. In class, first of all, we understand each and every topic deeply, practically, with real life example and the animation. Okay. First we will understand, and then we will learn in class itself 100%. Okay. You need not to study at home. Now, in 3 steps, we will cover each chapter. The first step is taking the understanding, basic understanding of that chapter. Why we are studying that chapter, its background and history. Okay. Then we will cover that chapter, take its understanding, cover all the concept, and along memorize it and rectification. Now, the third step is at last of the video of chapter, a short revision at last for 5 to 10 minutes, covering the whole chapter. Now, so this is the way how we will cover this fast track batch. We have also launched a test series for audit, and this test series will be conducted in 4 parts. 3 will be chapter mix test, and 1 will be overall test, overall full syllabus test. So its schedule you can see in our Telegram group. Schedule of free fast track batch. As we covered some portion of essays and chapter, we will conduct a test, then again one. So there will be 3 chapter mix test and 1 will be overall test at end of fast track batch. Is it clear? Right. Its price will be 389 rupees for these 4 tests. You can join it, and it's link in the description. You can place order for it and join it. Okay. Now, for this test, I will myself test all the check all the test. I will myself check all the test. As you know that in exam of audit, presentation matter a lot, right? So I myself conduct check all the test papers and gives a mark that what you have did wrong in this exam and where you need improvement. Okay, that will help you to improve yourself and get highest marks in the audit. Now, so if you have any doubts regarding the books and any other doubts during the study, you can connect with me on my number. You can call or WhatsApp 701-5451-014. Okay. All the very best. Soon one more video will be uploaded containing the strategy of the audit to score 70+. Okay, with ABC analysis. So goodbye, and subscribe our channel for joining this free fast track batch. Okay.